What a pussy. Such a fucking pussy. I can't get over it. His dick must be inverted. Inverted penis is what you have. It's an inverted penis.
Alright, tell me what this do.
How does it feel to have such small balls?
It happened.
I don't know how the fuck that happens, but he killed an automatic. Tank, you gonna send it? He doesn't even know what's going on. He did it! His balls aren't quite titanium. Oh, and he fucking dropped the scooter. Woo!
That son of a bitch.
Woo!
Damn.
He fucking did it. His balls are no longer made of mush. But he messed up my grass a little bit. I'm not too stoked about that. Yeah. We got her going. I'll have the GoPro mount with me, so doing this one-handed. I dropped you guys. I dropped you guys. Here we go. You didn't know that was mouth vision, so you get the gist. You know what I'm saying? Look at the 450. 450 always fucks shit up. It looks way smaller on camera, but I wear a size 14. Here we go. Oh! All right. Well, I'm going riding. I think Sunday, maybe Saturday. So, gotta get the bikes all ready and get maintenance done. So, gotta change the oil on the 125, the transmission fluid, however you want to say it. Either way, it's gotta be changed. Chain's tight from last ride. The 450. The chain needs to be tightened, and just like regular, make sure bolts are tight and shit like that. I gotta check the coolant. Maybe need to fill it up on that, on the 125. The 100's just fine. It's always fine. Really don't have to do too much of that. The fuckers will run on no oil pretty much. So this thing is pretty set. But main order of business: oil on 125, chain on 450. So let's get started. Alright, just in case y'all don't know, pretty sure y'all do, but you know how to do this. The YZ 125's 04, at least I know for an 04, but it should be same with pretty much all of them. It asks for 65, or no, what am I saying 65? 650 cc's of, or CMs, whatever the fuck that is, I don't fucking know, I'm retarded, so, but 650, I generally put a little bit more in there. It won't hurt anything. If anything, it's just gonna add extra lubricant. Make sure you're safe. So I put about 750 in there, but you should be good all the way up to 800, but I definitely wouldn't put any less. Alright. Working on 450 now. Y'all want to know, it's a 2009 CRF 450. It's actually Brett Q's old 450. Bought it from a place called Larry's Honda. Came with paperwork, which was pretty stoked about it. Got a pretty good deal on it. That's not his number plate, just so y'all know. But yeah, the chain, a little loose. I like a little bit more than 2 fingers. I'm a heavier guy, especially with that one. But this one fits 3 comfortably. Alright guys, fixing to go riding down at Finger Lakes. You've already seen a video of me riding out there before, but going out again. Got the bikes loaded up. We're not taking that one because my brother's not riding, but just gotta load up my gearbox and my boots, and then we'll be set. Bikes are done. Gotta put the gas in the truck. But other than that, we're fixing to go riding. Catch y'all when I get back. See ya. just got back from riding. Went pretty good. Broke my clutch lever on the 125, which kind of blows. But what can you do? Got to put a top end in the 125 here pretty soon. She's definitely needing a new one. 450 rode good. But had a good day riding. Had a good week. Y'all see the whole week in this video. So, that's pretty much it. I'll catch y'all next video. See you.